Today I'm making Moroccan chicken skewers in the air fryer, and these are heavenly. I swear it's better than in any restaurant. Starting with a pack of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. I'm about to clean them and chop them up in little pieces, bite size, so we can nicely pull them off a skewer. The skewer we need to soak, and I find that it's easier to soak them in a tall glass full of water, and I did have to break mine down so it fits into the air fryer. For my marinade, I'm adding about 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of mayo, a dash of sriracha, 1 teaspoon salt, and a small spoon of mustard, and ras el hanout. This is a Moroccan spice. It can contain up to 21 kinds of spices. Oh, when I tell you this is one of the best spices ever created. It is insane. And half of a lime juice just to give it that little acidity into it. Mix, and then let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Doesn't have to be like too long. And then I also wanted to add some herbs to it just to have a little bit of color. This is a herb de Provence, which is just dried basil, thyme, oregano. It's not necessary in it, but it will add some extra flavors to it. But the ras el hanout, it has pretty much all the seasoning you need. So about half an hour later, here I am putting the chicken on the skewers one by one, very carefully. It is a little hard in some parts, but it's so worth the work because I don't know what's in this spice, but it's like crack. It's addicting. It's so good. You can put it on anything. You can even put it on your omelet. So good. With potatoes, amazing. In the air fryer, I'm gonna set it to 370 for 70 minutes, and every few minutes I'm gonna brush it with melted butter, 2 tablespoons, and then 3 cloves of garlic and a small handful of parsley. You can also do cilantro if that's all you have. And then every few minutes I'm gonna pull it out and brush it on one side and then flip it over and also brush it on the other side just to give more flavor to it. And I did not spray it with oil because I'm brushing it with butter, so no need to spray it with oil. Just brushy, and it's done. Yes, chicken skewers in the air fryer. It is amazing with a little bit of salad and the chicken on the side. I'm telling you, this is better than in any restaurant. It's so delicious. That spice is crazy good. I'll put a link to get a bag from Amazon, but you can usually find it in international stores or like Middle Eastern stores. It is so good, and I love that these are like bite size, so you can just pull off a piece of chicken off of the skewer, or you can pull off the whole thing at once and just put it on top of a salad and eat it like that. See, beautiful and so delicious and pretty cheap to make.